Hello everyone, we're going to go over the KSP section of the test first. This is question 15. The question says that you have iron 3 hydroxide used to remove arsenic, which is kind of extraneous information. Bottom line is you've got a saturated solution of iron 3 hydroxide. Iron 3 hydroxide looks like this. The iron 3 hydroxide is going to equilibrium with iron 3 ions and with hydroxide ions. There will be 3 hydroxides. You know the KSP. You do not know the concentration of the iron nor the hydroxide. However, you know that the KSP expression will be equal to the iron concentration multiplied by the hydroxide ion concentration cubed. Unfortunately, we don't know how much iron, so we're just going to call that X. And we would call the hydroxide ion concentration 3X because there's a 3-to-1 ratio. Once again, that's a 3-to-1 ratio between the hydroxide and the iron. Now we take our X amounts and plug them into the expression. We know that the iron concentration is going to be multiplied by the hydroxide ion concentration cubed. We know that the iron was X, and we know that the hydroxide was 3X. If I work that out algebraically, I get 27x to the 4th. So ultimately what I'm going to do is take my KSP value, which I know is 3.98 times 10 to the negative 38. As I set that equal to 27x to the 4th, I divide by 27 and then take the 4th root, and I find that x is equal to 1.96 times 10 to the negative 10th. Remember, to take the 4th root of a number, you can raise it to the 1/4 power. Once again, a 4th root, raise it to the 1/4 power. So that gives us the concentration of iron. The iron ions is 1.96 times 10 to the negative 10th. The 3x, which is the hydroxide ion concentration, is going to equal 5.88 times 10 to the negative 10th, because the hydroxide ion concentration is 3 times the iron concentration. And once again, it's brackets mean concentration. And that's the final answer. So 1.96 times 10 to the negative 10th, 5.88 times 10 to the negative 10 times 10 to the negative 10.